Top 5 the best anti-aircraft missile system in this world. Number 5. The HQ-9 long-range anti-aircraft missile system is designed to destroy enemy aircraft, cruise missile and helicopters at all heights of their combat use day and night in all weather conditions. HQ-9 is the most advanced example of the third generation of anti-aircraft missile defense system of China and are characterized by high combat effectiveness in a complex jamming environment include with the massive use by the enemy of various means of air attacks. HQ-9, the first Chinese complex with the ability to intercept tactical ballistic missile of the ground-to-ground class. In March 2009, at Africa Aerospace and Defense Exhibitions in Cape Town, South Africa, CPMIEC presented a variant of the FT-2000 complex designed to destroy long-range radar reconnaissance aircraft and other radio emitting targets. The missile complex FT 2000 is equipped with the massive radar homing head. The serial productions of the FT 2000 complex has not yet been deployed due to the lack of order from the PLA and foreign buyers. Number 4. USM MM104 Patriot. SAM Patriot is a design to cover large administrative and industrial center, naval and airbase from all existing means of air attack in the face of a strong electronic countermeasures of the enemy. The complex is capable of simultaneous detecting and identifying more than 100 air targets, continually tracking 8 of them, preparing initial data of firing, launching and pointing up to a 3 missile for each target. The development of the complex was started in 1963 to replace the previous generation air defense system. The first flight test of the rocket took place in February 1970, and on January 11, 1974, the missile was the first on carry out guidance maneuvers for commands coming from a ground based radar. The complex was adopted by the US Army in 1984. Number 3. French Italian SAMT complex Eurosame. SAMT complex Eurosame land system is designed for air defense of mechanized unit and marching troops as well as air defense of a important stationary object for all massive attack of all wide class of air target from tactical missile all type of aircraft and various unmanned aerial vehicle in all weather conditions when the enemy uses various interference of the high intensity. The developers and manufacturer of the complex is the European consortium Eurosame. The consortium was formed in June 1989 by Aerospatiale Alenia and Thomson CSF and create and market the weapon of the FSAF family forward surface to air family of missile system. Eurosame act as a system integrator of project of the creation of sea and land a variant of the air defense complex. The program for creating FSF family complex include a number of the innovations, namely a modular system layout, achieve air transportabilities, minimizing and total number of a complex elements, the novelty of the applied technological solutions to meet the specific operations quality of the system, the possibility of the modernizing the complex system throughout the entire operation cycle, minimize maintenance of equipment of the complex by a combatant during its operations. All systems that are part of the FSAF family of system consist of a replacement element that satisfy the above requirement. Number two, Israeli SAM or GTAM. Deving Sling, also formerly known as Magic Wing, is an Israeli defense military system developing jointly by Israeli defense constructor Rafale Advanced Defense System and US defense constructor Raytheon, designed to intercept enemies aircraft, unmanned aerials vehicles, tactical ballistic missiles, medium and long range missile and cruise missile launched at a range from 40 kilometers to 300 kilometers. David Slim is entered to replace to MIM-23 Havoc and MIM-104 Patriot is Israeli arsenals. The Stormer missile is designed to intercept a new generation of low-altitude and tactical ballistic missiles such as the Russian Iskander and the Chinese DF-15 used on board dual CCD-IR shelter to a design between the bait and the actual missile warhead. In addition to a track ELTA ELM 2084 active electrical scanning an array of multiple more radars. A multiple stage interceptor consists of solid fuel booster rocket engine followed by a asymmetric jamming vehicle with advanced string gear for super maneuverability during the jamming stage. The 3 Plus engine provided additional accelerations and maneuverabilities in the terminal phase. David Sling was commissioned in April 2017. Number 1, Russian anti-aircraft system S-400 is an anti-aircraft weapon system developed in 1990 in Russia. It has been in service with the armed force of the Russian Federation since 2007. The S-400 uses for the 4 missile for flight very long range, 400 kilometer long range, medium range, 120 kilometer and short range 40 kilometer. The S-400 was described Economist in 2017 as one of the best air defense system currently made.